Elves and the Snowman. During Christmas, a father made a snowman in the garden. His children played around the snowman every day. It was so much fun. At night, they watched him from the window. One full moon night, the children saw elves dancing around the snowman. They were having a merry time. Dressed in lovely colors, they were having a party. In the morning, the sun shone bright in the sky. It was the beginning of spring. The children saw the elves carry the snowman with them. They ran after the elves and said, "Please do not take him." One of the elves said, "Oh, we are carrying him to a safe place in summer. He will come to meet you next winter." The children happily bade them goodbye. Later, their father came out and saw the snowman missing. He said, "Oh, the snow has melted the snowman." But the children smiled. They knew the secret. Waking on time. Monica was a nice girl, but she had a bad habit. She liked to sleep till late. Every day, her mother shouted, "Get up, Monica, or you will be late for school." But Monica did not bother. She kept sleeping. Thus, her father had to drop her off into school as she never reached the bus stop on time. But she did not seem to change her ways. One day, her father was not at home. As usual, she got late and missed her bus. Mother took a cab and dropped her to the school, but the gates had been closed by then. Monica had a dancing competition that day, but she had missed it. She felt awful that she had missed the competition due to her bad habit. She realized her mistake and started waking up on time. On Christmas, Monica got a lovely gift from her parents for having changed her bad habit. The book. Once upon a time, there was a well-to-do family. On the Christmas Eve, the family handed out gifts and food to their workers. The gardener and his family also received them. The gardener's eldest son, Will, received a book. Will could not walk. The gardener was very unhappy. He thought that the book was useless for him. However, Will was very happy with his gift. He began reading it immediately. The book was a compilation of fairy tales. He was so captivated in reading that he would forget eating. Now, Will read all the delightful stories from the book, and in the evening, he would recount them to his family. The stories filled Will with courage and strength to try to walk. Thus, one fine day, Will started walking. The gardener ran and hugged him. The gardener thought, "This book is magical as it has indeed helped my will. Blessed be the God. Santa's surprise. Tim finished putting the last decoration on the Christmas tree. His sister Beth was helping him. Tim said, "I want everything to be just right for Christmas. Mom and Dad are coming." "Oh, look at the snow!" exclaimed Beth, opening the front door. There was a lot of snow on the ground. Tim said sadly, "Mom and Dad called from the airport. They are stuck at the airport." Since they were going to be late, Tim and Beth sat down at the beautifully decorated table and started eating the food in front of them. "Ho, ho, ho," they heard a few minutes later, followed by a rustle on the roof. "Merry Christmas!" "What was that?" asked Tim, getting up from the table and looking out of the window. Tim was just in time to see Santa Claus helping Mom and Dad down off the road. "Merry Christmas!" Mom and Dad shouted, waving goodbye to Santa Claus.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.